Okay, dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics and we are in the chapter of sets. Okay, today we will solve questions from April 2025 series. Okay, April 2025 continuously we will solve all chapter by chapter, chapter wise. Okay, sets, relations and function, like that we will go. Complex numbers, quadratic equations, like that one by one we will go. I am going to do only from April 2025. Remaining all already we have done. Okay, let us see this question. Today we are going to do three questions. Okay, JEE April 2025 sets. Question number 1. If the set of all A belongs to real number minus 1, for which roots of the equation 1 minus A into x square plus 2 into A minus 3x plus 9 equal to 0 are positive, is minus infinity to minus alpha union beta minus gamma. See, these are closed intervals, but these are open intervals. Okay, gamma also open interval. Then what is the value of 2 alpha plus beta plus gamma? Alpha, beta, gamma. 7 has to come answer. Okay, let us see how we are going to get this answer. Okay, see, we know very well for positive roots what we are going to write. For positive roots, b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. It should not be less than 0. It should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. What is this equation? This equation is this one. See, b square means what? 2 into a minus 3 whole square. b square minus 4 into a. 1 minus a. C 9 should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now 2 square means 4 will come. A square minus 6a plus 9 minus c. 4 into 9 36. So plus 36a should be 36a should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. This also is sent inside. That means if 4a square minus 24a plus 36 minus 36 plus 36a should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. In this case, 4a square you keep like this only. Why? Because a square second term is not here. Minus 24a plus 36a plus 12a. These two are going to get cancelled out. Then 4 if you take common and send that side, then automatically a square plus 3a should be greater than or equal to 0. A also I want to take common. A plus 3 should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, see, here if at all greater than is not there, then a value, what we are going to write? A value is equal to 0 and also a value is equal to minus 3. If at all greater than is not there, because greater than is there, then what you have to write? You have to write like this. A is less than minus 3 or equal to, A is greater than or equal to 0. Okay? If it is less than means from minus 3 to 0. So that you know very well. Okay. See how we are going to write this? A value. A belongs to, see, less than minus 3 or equal to means shall I write like this? Minus infinity to open interval but minus 3 closed interval. Union equal to is there here. 0 to plus infinity open interval. This I am taking as equation number 1. Why? Because see, with this we are not going to achieve. Why? Because if you go back and see here, minus infinity to minus alpha means see 3 you can take alpha, but beta is 0, gamma is infinity. You are not going to get the answer here. Infinity means infinity will come. That is why logically you have to think. One more thing they have given. See, A should not be should not have 1. Why? Because 1 you have to omit, but in this case 1 is coming. That is why you should think in different way. See, positive roots, how we are going to come? B square minus 4ac by 2a minus b plus or minus under root. Okay, 2 roots will come. See, b square minus 4ac case we have already dealt. Now we will see minus b by 2a. Okay? Minus b by 2a. Shall I say minus b by 2a also should be greater than 0? Now equal to you need not write. Okay? Equal to you need not write. Minus b by 2a should be greater than 0. If this is greater than 0, then multiplying with this greater than 0 or equal to 0, then only the value is going to come. Positive roots like. Okay? Now, see what is this? Minus b means. See, b is this one. Minus of 2 into a minus 3 by 2a. 2 into a, 1 minus k. Okay, see, that is equal to or greater than 0. Or else, shall I write like this? See, minus I want to remove means, shall I write like this? 2 into a minus 3 I will keep like this only. But here 2 into a minus 1 I will write. 1 minus a. Why? Because the minus is there. Minus I have sent denominator like it. Now you can take this as greater than 0. Now 2 you can cancel. Now a minus 3 by a minus 1 should be greater than 0. Now what you are going to understand from this? Okay? A should be greater than 3 and a should be less than 1. Okay? A should be less than 1 and a should be greater than 3. Okay. Now, how can you write this like this? That means see, a belongs to less than 1 means shall I write minus infinity to 1, but both open intervals only. Here equal to I have not taken. Union greater than 3 to plus infinity. Okay, this I am taking as equation number 2. Okay, even though they have written set, but this is completely depends on this functions like question. This is okay. Now what I am doing, I am drawing this real number line. Minus infinity to plus infinity, in between 0 is there. And see, if I see here minus 3 you require, plus 3 you require, and 1 also you require. Are these enough? Yes. Okay. Now one by one you draw in this. One by one. See, minus infinity to minus 3. But minus 3 is closed interval, closed bubble. This is one thing. 0 to infinity. 0 is closed bubble. Infinity, open bubble. Next, minus infinity to 1. Minus infinity open bubble only, but 1 is closed bubble. Sorry, not closed bubble, open bubble only. Here also. Okay? Now, see 3 to infinity. Both are open bubbles. Now, how can you, what we can say? Infer from this. A value. A belongs to. See what I want to say. Now, with this 2, with this figure, shall I say minus infinity to minus 3 only? Why? Because see, here upper is not there. Only bottom is there. Second one. Okay? That is why both should match means minus infinity to minus 3. Minus infinity to minus 3. But minus 3, is it closed bubble? Yes, sir. Union. Okay? Next. See here 0 to 1. You can take it. Why? Because see 0 is closed bubble. 1 is open bubble. Okay? Finally, this is your answer. Answer means see this one equal to minus infinity to minus alpha. Okay, union and beta to gamma. Now what we can understand? See minus infinity match. Minus 3 is minus alpha means alpha will be 3. Beta is 0. Gamma is 1. What they require? 2 alpha plus 3. Alpha is 3 means 2 into alpha means 2 into 3 plus beta is 0 plus gamma is 1. 2 into 3 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 will be your answer. Okay? Let's go for next question.